How to equip a player in Sociopia. In Sociopia, you are bound to find different types of items to use, weapons and different items. So how do you change those items and how do you equip your players? Once again, you right-click, you go over to Equip, double-click that. Let's go with our activist here, Debbie, the activist, and we will click on her. Now, let's say that we want to have her use the Flail of Equity instead of, or rather the Socio Sword rather than the Flail of Equity. We would just double click on that and it would switch. Okay, so you can switch them just by double clicking on the one that's blinking. The Flail of Equity is better. So you get maybe find some shields, get some headwear, maybe find some body armor or an accessory. You can also click the optimize just to optimize your equipment, and that's always a smart thing to do if you're unsure what to use and which is better than what. So that's how you equip in Sociopia.